Welcome students. In this ninth chapter, we are having list, tuples, sets and dictionary. Already we have completed about list and tuples. In today's class, we are going to see about sets. It's also a data type in Python. It is mutable. What does it mean by mutable? It is changeable. That is called mutable. It consists of a collection of elements like list and tuple, but the special category in set is it avoids the duplicates. There is no duplicate elements in sets. It will not accept the duplicates elements. How will you create a set means we can create a set as like list and tuple. Here the elements are also separated by comma with curly brackets. In list we have given square brackets, and then tuples we have used parenthesis, and in sets we are using curly brackets. The syntax for creating the set is set variable equal curly braces E1, E2, E3 and En, that is elements. The example for sets, that is S1 equal, it is given as 1, 2, 3, A 3.14. This is the set. S1 is the first set. Now we are printing the elements, same elements. Okay. Next in set 2, that is S2, the value which is given is 1, 2, 2, A 3.14. 2 has been given 2 times, the element has been repeated. But in sets, it will not accept the duplicate values. The same value will not be repeated in sets. So, we are getting the output as 1, 2, A 3.14. I think you have understand about this sets and then its example for sets. And next, we can create the set using the list and tuples also. Here, we have given list and tuple. List means it should be enclosed with the elements should be enclosed with the square brackets. Tuple parenthesis. These can be converted to sets by using the set function. Let us see the example. That is my list equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 has been given. After that, we have given my set equal to set of my list. That is a set function. If you are using the set function, the value printed, look at the output, what we got the output. We are getting the output in set because the values are inside the curly braces. So, we can convert the list and tuple into a sets by using the set function. Next, some of the set operations have been used in Python. The set operations are union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. Union means, as you have already studied in Max, in 10th standard you have studied, union means it includes all elements from the first set and the second set or more than one set. So, all the elements in the sets are called as union. These can be achieved by using the union operator for adding the two sets. Otherwise, you can also use the union function for joining the two sets. Let us see the example for joining two sets using the union operator. Set A equal 2, 4, 6, 8 has been given, and set B equal A, B, C, D has been given. Now we are going to join the two sets. U set equal set A union operator set B. Then we are printing. So set A and set B are joined together, and finally we are getting the answer as 2, 4, 6, 8 A, D, C, B. So the two sets are joined together by using the union operator. The same example we have used is union function. Instead of union operator, we are using the union function. Set A equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. Set B equal A, B, C, D. And set union equals set A dot union of set B. Set A has been added with set B by using this union operator. So we are getting the output as D 2, 4, 6, 8, B, C, A. So all the elements in the set A and set B has been joined together. Here we have used union function. Next we are going to see about intersection. This also you have studied in the 10th standard. Intersection means it includes the common elements in two sets. What are all the elements which is common to first set and second set is taken as common element, that is called as intersection. This intersection contains the AND operator. This is the intersecting two sets. We use this intersection operator. Otherwise you can use intersection function also to intersect the two sets. Let us see the example for that. Here we are intersecting two sets by using the intersection operator. In set A it is given as A, 2, 4, D, and set B it is given as A, B, C, D. We are intersecting both set A and set B. What is common element in both the sets? A and D are the common elements in both the sets. So we are getting the output as A, D. Other elements will be omitted. Only the common elements will be taken. That is called as intersection. That is intersecting two sets. Next example, we are using the same example. Here we have used intersection function. In the previous example we have used intersection operator. In this example we have used intersection function. That is in set A it is given as A, 2, 4, D, and set B it is given as A, B, C, D. We are intersecting both, that is set A dot intersection of set B. So both the elements, common elements in both the sets are A and D. So we are getting the output as A, D. Next function, that is difference. What does it mean by difference? It includes all the elements in the first set alone, not in the second set. Okay, set A and set B is given. By seeing this picture you can clearly understand it accepts only the elements which is in set A. It will not take in the elements in set B. For this difference we are using the minus operator for making the set difference. But we can also use difference function for differencing the set. Let us see the example for that. In this example we have used minus operator for difference of two sets. In set A it is given as A, 2, 4, D, and set B it is given as A, B, C, D. Print of set A dot difference of set B. So what will happen? The common elements will be omitted. That is both for A and B, common as A, D, so it is omitted. We are taking only the elements in set A. What is the element in set A? A. It is in B, so we are not getting that one. 2. So we are getting the output 2. 4. Yes, we are getting the output 4. D. Why the in output D is not coming? Because also in set B. So D is not coming. So we are getting only the elements in set A which should not be in set B. So we are getting the output as 2, 4. In this example we have used minus operator. In the next example we are going to use the same difference of two sets by using the difference function. Set A the value given is A, 2, 4 and D. In set B the value given is A, B, C, D, and set A dot difference of set B. So we are getting the answer 2, 4. Next function, symmetric difference. Symmetric difference means it includes all the elements that are in two sets. The common elements will not be taken. A set elements also taken, B set elements also taken. Both the elements in common will not be taken. Here we are using caret operator for the symmetric difference. Otherwise we can use the symmetric function also. Here in this example for symmetric difference we have used caret operator. Set A it is given as A, 2, 4 and D, and set B it is given as A, B, C, D. Set A, caret, that is symmetric difference. Set B. So we are getting the answer 2, 4, B, C, because both the sets A and D is common. Common elements has been omitted. The remaining elements has been printed. That is the 2, 4 in set A and B, C in set B. So that is the symmetric difference. The same example has been used by using the symmetric difference function. In set A, the value given is, the element given is A, 2, 4, D, and set B, the element given is A, B, C, D. Print of set A dot symmetric difference of set B. So set A is symmetric difference with set B. So we are getting the output as 2, 4, B, C. Okay. So in today's class, we have discussed about sets, how to create a set and how to convert the list and tuples into sets, and some of the set or functions in Python, that is union, intersection, difference and symmetric difference. These are the set operations which have been used in Python. So in next class we will discuss about dictionary. Already in 9th chapter we have discussed list, tuples and sets. So up to this we have completed sets. Next class we will discuss about dictionary. Thank you.